what's up YouTube? Another day, another ride. Today we'll be heading out to a place near Thalli. It's a lake. It's quite a famous lake on Instagram. I don't want to mention the name as usual. It's going to be a group ride of 3 people totally, including me. It's around 50 kilometers from my place, and it's going to take around 1 hour or something, 1 hour 20 minutes change. We'll be going through Jigani Anekal route. You might be wondering what I'm doing with the Himalayan 411. My friend Gaurav was kind enough to lend me his bike for, I don't know how many weeks it's been. I think it's been 2 to 3 weeks already. 2 weeks, yeah. And I've been riding this every day as my daily rider, and my Domina's been taking some needed rest. Where are these people? Today I have a Ninja 300 and a Speed 400 behind me. It's been more than 3 months that I've actually been on a ride, so I haven't been getting time to go on rides. I've been quite busy and not able to find time to record videos or, you know, edit them. Oh yeah, and another thing, half of the electricals on this bike do not work as of now. The horn is not working. The second pair of fog lights don't work, and yeah, the headlight is like nothing. I don't even know if you guys can actually see the headlight or see in front. These all are quite manageable, so I guess with that, let's get straight into the video. Fingers crossed for a really good ride.
About the roads, guy.
Huh?
Wonder about the roads.
It'll be like this only.
Fine.
Yeah, pretty much it'll be like this. I was more worried about that Banargata part.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, pretty much. Well, another 36 kilometers to go. No idea about the roads ahead. I think they should be fine. His headlight is nowhere to be seen. Rag madana. Are we even going to the correct place? Pretty much it's going to Thalli. Ay! Where is she? Man, in this tension I forgot to switch off the aux light. I know it's illegal to use aux lights within the city limits, but you know, sometimes, yeah, there's no justification. I'm just so, yeah, I'm wrong. I agree. I have no idea where we are. I'm just blindly following Google Maps. Motor Critic, the Google Maps tourer. I didn't realize there's a knob behind me. Beautiful road ahead. Man, if I get a puncture here, it's gonna suck so bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Control, control, control. She is gonna suffer.
This is gliding over on.
Yeah, which one?
Oh, it's going.
Which?
I just let it go.
Yeah, your bike will go, da. Your bike will go. அது ஒரு பிரச்சனையே இல்லை உன் வண்டிக்கு. அவ வண்டிக்கு தான் பிரச்சனை. Sand. My greatest enemy. Oh wait. My bad, it's the other one. It's the other right. I am so sorry. We were supposed to be there for sunrise, but here we are. அந்த லேக் ஒன்று இருக்கும்ல எங்க? ஆமா ஆமா. டூ வீலர் தான். சரி, ரோடு இப்படி தான் இருக்குமா? சரி சரிங்க, தேங்க்ஸ்ங்க. Okay, guess what? We have to go through that off-road again.
I didn't realize that, but I'm gonna hit you after this.
What did I do? I messed up. I took them to a location that Google Maps just said. I did speak to some locals who said you can go through the village over there and from the main road and then connect to the lake. I just hope, I mean, we're already too late for sunrise, man, so I just hope like it's a good lake. Oh, don't get scared, I'm not gonna ram into you. So yeah, I think we should be good once we reach the village and connect to the main road. Until then, the Ninja 300 is going to suffer. Lovely bike to stand and ride. It's like, god damn, look at the amount of comfort in this bike. Set correctly, it should be a little more up. My boots don't even fit there. See, out. Yeah. Hi. Huh? I can't. Last time only I couldn't know.
Get down, bro.
You stand on the foot peg and get down.
Pitching?
No, we're not bitching. Don't worry.
Pitching about who?
Her.
I'm happy, bro.
Why da?
My bike's coming to Tamil Nadu.
Hey. Oh shit. Sorry, Himalayan. Finally! Like third time's the charm. Bye bye. Take your time. Do something, but Be safe first. See, both of you don't have gears, just be careful. தல ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. பார்த்து போ, தயவு செஞ்சு ஃபாஸ்ட் எடுக்காத. சரிடா பார்க்கலாம்டா நிஷாந்த். Anyone call me, okay? If anything goes wrong, call. I am planning to go to my friend's farmhouse from here, and they are actually leaving back to Bangalore. So, well, I guess with that, I'll be ending today's video in this beautiful location. It's quite sunny as well. We're in Tamil Nadu. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I am Motor Critic. You know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Control, control. Phew, phew. There's a mosquito in my balaclava again. Phew. Day! So the bike just sank because the mud was wet. Sorry, the ground was wet. Yep. Yep, expected. Nishant, bye da. I don't know where I have to go. Then I'll have to go here. Bye bye. Fine, I'll see you guys. Bye. Okay, my bad. I was supposed to go the other way. Sorry. Beautiful spot for a sunrise actually. This is a sunrise spot. We were just quite late.